Kubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Myntri Khynnah ke Sarkar Pedeng ke bapet ya ketenat ke kot ke khia ke Dr. Bharati Pravin Pawar kalalum jing yalang ha sekretariat ha Shillong ban kami ya ke jing trai kam ki Jaka Sumar bat ketenat ke kot ke khia bat ke rukom pentrai kami ki skim ke Sarkar Pedeng ha Meghalaya ke menteri ke Sarkar Jilla ke kong amperin lingdo bat ki weki ofisar ki ladon lang ha kani jing yalang kani ke Myntri Khynnah le kendu riu lat ke Jilla ka Dr. Bharati kala let ru Neigrihms banlum ya ka jinganang baki officer kani ka hospital ka badai ru ka jaka Pule doktor kala Ïathuh baki dan shibun ki sienjam ki balashim ban pen khlani ki la jing sumar bat ki skim bapher ki ba pentrai kam ha ka leng kan thop ha Meghalaya kala ong ba Naduh arajar khatsan lamang pisa shu ban aya ka Neigrihms ban Shna Medical College bat kan tiu ka jingdan ki ba Pule doktor Mbbs ha ka ba Naduh usnam ban wan kata arajar arpusaw en kan tiu shu sa san phongut ka bamut ka Neigrihms kan sa don no she's pangut ki ba Pule doktor Mbbs halor ka pisa bamang bat aya ka Neigrihms kala ong baha usnem baladep lamang sauspa prapo klur tingka bat menta usnem kamang tingka kalong sanspa aru pra klur tingka habay day biki scheme limba ka National Health Mission ka Dr. Bharati kala Ïathuh baka pisa ka bala Aisha Meghalaya menta usnem la antat kumba rius pa klur tingka ha ka 10% an ay lang ka jilla hapo ka emergency COVID relief package 1 kapisa kalong arpusan klur tingka na kabanta ka Meghalaya bat hapo ka emergency COVID relief package 2 kalong shispa khat new klur tingka lingba ka 15 finance commission ka Sarkar Pedeng kala ay shispa san pho klur tingka ya ka Meghalaya ban pen khlani ki sub center bat ki health and wellness center halor ka Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission kani ka Myntri kala Ïathuh balamang shispa san pho klur tingka ya ka Meghalaya hagini ki sausnem habay day pat ka Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana Meghalaya laong bakidan khat pra lak ngut ki bayo jing mantoy bat kumbasan lak ki kat ladap sam kumta ha kasing tho dien ka Myntri kanit she East Janta Hills district.
Today I visit Neigrihms, Shillong. Visit to review the take the different activities done by Neigrihms. I would like to submit that since last 9 to 10 years, the government focusing to strengthen the tertiary care also, including primary and secondary. So Honorable PM vision is to strengthen all the healthcare system through the central government scheme. Since 2015, the budget provided by central government to Neigrihms is around 600 crores till date to develop the medical college, to increase the Mbbs seats, nursing college, and 50 seats we are going to increase since next year. So it will be then 100 seats in Neigrihms, including the structure. Per year we are providing the different budgets to strengthen the Neigrihms, and the last year the budget was 480 crores and this year the budget is 528 crores. So we are constantly increasing. So the great achievement I will comment on this to strengthen the radio unit, radiotherapy treatment with LINAC machine, CT simulation. So these are some great achievements from Neigrihms, including all the research unit, including the treatment under different schemes, including RAN, HMDG, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. All we are conducting and providing the good treatment as well as the best lab test. So our focus is to strengthen this Neigrihms and especially tertiary care. Again, I took the review here in with NHM, with our NHM MD and all office bearers. Through NHM we got the budget for the 2 years last and this year. Approximately we are central government is providing 600 crores approximately. So 90 as to 10, 90% from central, 10% from the state government. Apart from that, ECRP 1, ECRP 2, that is Emergency COVID Relief Package 1, budget provided for to control the COVID-19 pandemic. The budget was 25 crores for Meghalaya, and ECRP2 emergency COVID relief, that budget is 117 crores, 117 crores. Again, to strengthen some sub-centers and health and wellness centers, 15 finance budget central government is allocating for Meghalaya, that is 150 crores. So that is also the good budget. Again, we must prepare for our next pandemic as envisioned by Honorable PM. We must focus on the preparedness, prevention, and be ready for the next pandemic. So Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission is the scheme through which we are strengthening all level, primary, secondary, tertiary. Near about 64,000 crores budget we are providing to take care in all over the country. And in Meghalaya, this budget we are providing is near about 150 crores in next 4 years. So right now in Meghalaya, our health and wellness centers, near about 470 health and wellness centers are functional. Health and wellness center is a concept where we are focusing more on screening as well as treatment also. So health and wellness centers, we are doing the primary screening of hypertension to detect the diabetes, and to focus on cancer. So we are doing the cancer screening like oral cancer, cervical cancer, this kind of cancer we are detecting via screening. Next come to ABDM, that is Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. In Meghalaya, till date 5 lakhs ABHA ID is we have completed that ABHA ID. So that will be help to for the patient to take the appointment, to get the lab reports, details on that ID. So digitally it will be helpful for patient as well as the doctor to take the decision for the patient. In Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Meghalaya, we have beneficiaries around 18 lakhs, and out of that the card distributed near about 5 lakhs. The card distribution process is going on through this media. I will urge the people to get the details, and even digitally you can get the help to take the card in any PHC center, sub-center as well as district hospital. My request is to get the card, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya card, which is providing the 5 lakh help to the patient for tertiary care in some operations also. So this is the largest insurance scheme in India. Digital technology use in Meghalaya. So teleconsultation is a very good initiative done by the Meghalaya government, and near about 1 lakh teleconsultation has been done. So it's a great achievement. I must congratulate the government. Regarding the cancer center, the regional cancer center also we are developed in Neigrihms. So the focus is to serve the people for getting the treatment for cancer. Again, through ASHA, community health workers, in Meghalaya we have challenges because of the Healy part. So our ASHAs are there. We are about more than 7,000 ASHAs are active in Meghalaya to reach and to help our community. Again, I would like to focus on since last so many because of the efforts from Meghalaya government, we are achieving to reduce the maternal deaths. So to reduce the maternal mortality rate. So that is the good, I must say, the one initiative from the government of Meghalaya, also reducing the IMR, that is infant mortality rate. I must say that our government is doing a lot, providing the budget through different schemes, and our aim is to focus that, implement that schemes. So this was the regarding the review. So we are here to taking the all review, and I must congratulate the government. They have done the drone facility also experiment with the drone facility. So that is also one good initiative. And anti-tobacco campaigning is also they are doing to avoid the patients. So seriousness and awareness regarding the cancer, especially because the tobacco patients, cancer patients are more here. So our focus is to do the campaigning, do the awareness. So through all these activities, we are providing a good health, and I must thanks the Honorable CM. I just meet Honorable CM. He is very actively doing all the health facilities initiative from the state government. And Honorable PM is always focused, and Honorable PM is always support in all the northeast our states. So will already the notifications or the guidelines has been given to all states, and the arrangement has been done. Focus is to reduce the numbers and to do the awareness. So prevention is better than cure, as I said. So our focus is in the screening at the health and wellness center, compulsory screening, and anti-cancer activities. So campaigning for those, and awareness is Jan Bhagidari. As I said, Jan Bhagidari is also important. So awareness and through screening we are trying to achieve. Thank you so much. Thank you. Government is going to support for the medical college, definitely, and we are strengthening, as I said, strengthening Neigrihms also, and our state is also providing, supporting for the next medical college interviews, and we are trying to fill that vacancies. But Neigrihms is doing good, and we are expecting good doctors will come and join. In some faculties there are vacancies, but we are trying for that.